Okay, this is a sound test of the JBL EON 208P outdoor. We're running it off a 12 volt 200 watt inverter, although it only draws 75 watts RMS. A couple things I'm going to show you. It's paired via Bluetooth, so the sound quality isn't perfect. None of the EQs, from my previous video you can tell, none of the EQ works on the Bluetooth, but whatever. A couple of things I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how far it travels, and you can get an idea. We'll play some, this is some royalty-free drum and bass music, so screw off YouTube. So here we go. I'm going to dump it up to max volume. Little system. It does need a sub, but then again that kind of defeats the whole purpose. Alright, my Bluetooth is cutting out, which is something I didn't plan on. I've gotten it to clip. Ooh, see, now see, that's too loud right there. So that's an example of clipping, not Bluetooth cutting out. About 50%, it's pushing it into the red. Back, sideways, although it's aiming straight ahead. In Bluetooth it's in stereo, otherwise it's mixed down in mono. Let me show you a trick. One thing I don't like is it cuts out. That was it? Okay, well, let's pick another one. Oh, you're killing me. Really? Royalty free. Boy, I hate this. Okay, here we go. Royalty free music, drum and bass intro. Okay, so here's a tip that I found. When you plug in the subwoofer, it basically cuts a little bit of the lows because it thinks it's passing the lows to the sub, and that's why it takes some strain off of your high end. So what I did is play. I can see now that's clipping right now. This is a louder track. I don't like that the LED is not very... I'm in the red line at that point. Now watch when I plug in the sub. I can turn it up a little louder.